Hello, today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial in Minecraft about how to use redstone. So, this is what redstone dust looks like. It can be used as a circuit in Minecraft to power things from powered rails to a lamp. And the way it works is you can use things like pressure plates, buttons or levers to activate the redstone. So I'm going to try with the button here. If I press it, it will light the lamp up. A redstone torch is an on signal and it will always send on, unless I was to run a signal into the block below it, it would switch the torch off. So that is how redstone works. Now let's go into the more advanced things. Okay, now we're going to move on to some more complex redstone. For example, we're going to be using some repeaters, comparators, and we're going to also use some blocks of redstone. Now, the way the block of redstone works is it is a constant on signal. Now, if you wanted to have a line of these and you had repeaters, which I'll go over later, going in directly, unfortunately, if even just one was on, these three would switch on. So the way we could fix that is we could either use the redstone torch, which you can switch off, as I said, by running another signal in, or alternatively you could use a block of redstone with a piston pushing it in and switching the lights on. This is how you use the redstone block. Now we're going to learn how to use the redstone repeater. Now what the redstone repeater can do, it has 4 functions. So I'm going to create a length of redstone, which is 15 blocks, because one single redstone line can only travel 15 blocks. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, if I place one more, you see it will not switch it on. If I do it here, it will switch on. If I wanted to extend this a bit, the way I would do it is I would use the redstone repeater, which can extend the circuit so this redstone goes back up to full strength. Now, the other uses of the redstone repeater is you can run them into each other to create a lock circuit. Now, here you see this is being locked with this. So now it doesn't matter if I switch that on, it's going to stay on. However, if I remove this, it switches off. And that is the uses of the redstone repeater. You can also delay things with it. It will always be delaying it by 1 tick. So if you look here, I'm going to use a lever. That switches on just after. You can increase the ticks like this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see now that's going to be delayed. If you want to create more delay, just add more repeaters. And as you can see now, there's a lot of delay. If I change that to a redstone lamp, I switched it on now, and there it is. So that is how you use the redstone repeater. Now we're going to learn about the redstone comparator. The redstone comparator looks like this, and it can keep a signal coming at the strength that went into it. So currently this was on full, and this one is still on full. So I could do 15 along there, and it would run into a lamp and it would still work. I'm just going to give you an example. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you see, it would switch the lamp on. However, if I was to do one more, it would not. The other uses for the comparator are to find out how much is in a chest. So if I was to get a couple stacks of something and I run some redstone here, I could actually use a comparator to continue the amount of signal strength into these. So now if I put one stack in, it will switch the first lamp on because it's sending one signal out. However, if I put 2 in, it would put the second lamp on. Now there's one more use for the comparator, which is comparing. And the way that this works is if I run a signal of 2 in here, and I run a signal of 3 in here, a signal would come out. However, if this is stronger, like that, that would switch off. You can also subtract. So this is 2. If I make this 3, it would send a signal of 1. If I was to do one more here, it would not send a signal. It has to all be on this one side. And to do the subtraction, this light needs to be on. Otherwise, it will do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and start making some redstone contraptions of your own. And then please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the notifications bell, and I would see you in the next video. Bye!